Alright, welcome back to part 5 of our classical Greece unit. We're going to look at the fall of ancient Greece today. Alright, so into the Golden Age. So 3 events are going to lead to the downfall of the Golden Age of Greece. Not to mention a young man from Macedonia is going to change the world. So first we have the trial of Socrates. Socrates had often criticized many leaders and politicians, and he's put in trial in Athens in 339 BC. Why was Socrates put on trial? Well, he was accused of corrupting the youth of Athens and abandoning the gods, or creating other gods. He had embarrassed many wealthy and powerful men who wished to humble him. They asked him for a formal apology from Socrates. And in a speech called the Apology, Socrates did not apologize to the Senate. He was found guilty and sentenced to death. And many saw this as the symbolic end of Athens. Alright? Socrates was forced to take poisoned hemlock. A second cause for the fall of Greece was the deadly plague that broke out in Athens in 430 BC. It ripped through the city, killing thousands. Men were seized first with intense heat of the head, sneezing, and severe coughing. When it settled in the stomach, violence of bile ensued. Patients died, as most of them did on the 7th or 9th day. This is excerpts from the Plague in Athens by Thucydides in 430 BC. The third cause is the Peloponnesian War. This was a war between Athens and Sparta. As Athens began expanding their territories, this was threatening to the allies of Sparta. And in 404 BC, the Spartans forced the surrender of Athens. And the entire Greek world continued to decline after this. Alright.